Ah, yes, country living at its best. You know, there is a kind of peace and solace in doing this chainsaw work and splitting wood. There is a kind of relaxation in this. I know it looks like work to some of you, but when you stop and look around and don't really rush it and take your time, there is a kind of calmness to it, if you will. You know, even when you gotta move these fucking big-ass logs and roll them over, there's a kind of peace to this kind of work. I'm telling you, you don't know until you do it. The country living is not for everybody, but it's a different kind of life. You know what I mean? I dig it. You know, like this is where I grew up. I watched my dad do this shit, and I'm gonna do this shit literally with the same tools that he used, and that's so rewarding. I can't even begin to tell you, because this is literally the same maul that my dad used to keep us warm with, and now I'm keeping myself warm with it. So, you know, it's a full circle, and shit like that can't be bought. So I absolutely love it. But here we are. You know, this is country living. This is how you do it, guys. If you want to move to the country and you want to have a wood stove, this is where it's at. I'm not sugarcoating shit for you. You know, you gotta get in there. You gotta split the wood. Well, depending on how much money you want to spend on the wood, you've got to cut the wood. You've got to split the wood. You've got to stack the wood. And then not only do I have to do this year, but next year when I burn all the wood that's in my house, I get to bring all of this to the house. So it goes from the barn to the house. So not only do I have to stack it here, but I have to stack it again. I should say I get to stack it again, right? I don't have to. I'm lucky that I'm still alive and I'm able to do this kind of shit, right? I get to enjoy the moments. Yeah, buddy. And, you know, the scenery, it can't be better. Like, look at this shit. I got trees all around me. I got fresh air. It's fucking beautiful. I'm getting some exercise in here with the swinging of the maul there. Gotta work on this big ass pile that I just got delivered. You know, one step at a time. That's how we finish shit, my friends. You can't start or you can't finish if you don't start, right? That's how it goes. So you gotta start somewhere. Pick a place, dive right in there, and just keep plugging away at it. Trust me, you'll get it done. You'll get it done. If you keep progressing, you will get it done. If you're not progressing, you're digressing. That is 100% true. So just keep moving forward. And look at all this wood I'm stacking up, guys. I mean, Christ, last time you saw this, it was only a couple of rows, maybe 2.5. Now I got 4 rows deep, baby. That's what I'm talking about. This is roughly, I don't know, cord and a third, cord and a half, something like that. I haven't really done the measurements here, but it's a good amount of wood for next year. It's a great start. I can't wait to burn all of it.